Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you on the setting of erase download apps and their data. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here you have to move on setting. After that you just click on the search bar and search for the erase data. Okay, so here it has came erase data, but we will wait more. Just search for the erase download apps. Okay, so here it has came, click on it. When you have been click on it, here erase download apps and your data is here. Okay, click on this. Here you can click on move out. All contents and data will be erased. For your data security, please move the files out of the private save first. So you have to move these files that you have been saved on the private. You have to move it first, then only click on move out, then you can set it. Okay, and you have to confirm your lock screen password before you want to remove it. Okay, if you want to erase it. Okay, and here is the erase all data. This is the erase downloaded apps and their data. If you want to erase all data, you can erase from here, and if you want to erase only the downloaded apps and their data, you just click from here. Okay, and this is the reset system setting only, and this is the reset network settings. If anyone you don't know about the reset network settings, you can give me a comment on the comment box. Okay, if you don't know, if you know also, you can give a comment. Okay, if you know, then you just raise the hand, and if you don't know, then you just say don't know more. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.